Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back at one of my favorite places here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This is IAA here in Tulsa. We're checking out some of the cool cars and trucks you can find. We're starting things off this time with a look inside a vehicle that you never ever get to see, and it's a BMW. Take a look at that, my pretty. Yes, a BMW i3. This is the electric vehicle. This is a 2014. It's a collision loss. You can see one of the problems that we've got right here. These are all plastic panels. Okay, so you just replace the panels when you have to. Okay, you can't really do, I guess you could do some Bondo, I don't know. But yeah, we do have some issues over here. But what's cool about this, in a sad way, I want to show you what's happening on the other side. We're going to look behind the panels and show you how these cars are actually made. Take a look at the back right here. You do get a little cargo space. If there was power, I could show you, but look at this. Look at that right there. This is lovely, isn't it? Yeah, so this is your charging port, which is broken, but it's just a piece of plastic between you and whoever is trying to hit you back on this part of the car. Okay, some of your control modules and everything right here, your tires pushed in. This is kind of a door, and look at the frame. There's just a thin sheet of plastic between you, once again, and whoever is trying to punch right into you. We can open this door and take a look inside. I just thought that was really, really cool, so you can kind of see how these are made. You might think this is metal. No, this is just plastic right here. This is some kind of a door actuator. Maybe this was for the flap door or something. Your power is back there. But look inside and how all these things work. I guess I could, no, that's the door check. Yeah. Ooh, this is a hot mess. This is, at least this part's glass. But here's what that looked like on the inside. This is a nice little touch right here. A little wood slope. You can kind of check things out. Let's go on the other side and see what she's got. All right, on the driver's side, it looks roomier on the inside than it does on the outside, and we do have some power. We do have a little bit of power right here, which is interesting. It's a really tall seating position. Here's your menu for your media and everything on your little display unit right there. But this is it. This is what it's like to drive a BMW i3. This is really kind of cool. Let's see what happens. Okay. So there is power. Look at that. 16 miles on a trip, 32 miles left. Charging socket flap open, yes, of course. Maintenance cycle. Vehicle is ready to drive. We cannot drive it, but I just thought I'd show you everything on the inside. See, this is kind of cool. So when you put it into drive, you hold your brake and you do this. So now we're in drive, and I could, if I wanted to, let her go, and then I can go back here, go to reverse, and if I go right here, put it into park right here, and we're ready to go. 75% of the battery's left. Look at that. Well, that's kind of cool. All right, we can't do anything with this. I just kind of thought I would show you with your cup holder, your additional cup holder, and there is room down here. These are fun to drive. They're kind of loud, but it is pretty cool. Boo! And power off. You want an easy fix? Yeah, check out this 2008 Ford Mustang. Yes, I had one of these and it was so popular on the channel. This, you need a bumper. You might need a bumper support. It's hidden by the bumper, okay? And there's just a little bitty crease right here on the hood that you could probably just kind of use a little Bondo, paint it out. Everything else looks to be okay. Even this headlight right here appears to be, well, maybe the support bracket is broken, but not a big deal. The rest of the car, I think, looks pretty clean. Basic white over your chrome. or metal wheels. This is kind of cool. I had one of these and I changed it out to a better looking one. Super easy to work on and super fun cars. As far as tire tread, ooh, nice. Goodyear Assurance with lots of tread on the front, on the back there. Goodyear Assurance with tread on the front. Okay, we have matching wheels and tires. That is a good sign. Let's check out the inside. We have power. The window went down. So it's white over gray with a crappy attempt to fix this right here. This is such a common problem. It just comes off, all right? It's just a horrible, horrible, horrible design. And it gets hot and the stuff comes off and people put all kinds of things over this little part of the door panel. This could use a cleaning. This could really, really use a good cleaning. Should I even sit there? You will need an airbag. Super easy to find. Okay, let's just kind of see. Okay, oh, well, a windshield. So you need a bumper, airbag, windshield. 300 bumpers probably, well, if you can get them in the junkyard, $60. Airbags probably 50, so we're at 210. But just look at how dirty this is. I'm glad I got long sleeves on. You can recoup some of your money right there. Do we have a key? We do have a key. All right. And we have power. Here we go. And give me a beat. Engine sounds good. Okay, what do we have going on here? We have the defrost. Let's turn that off. What radio station? Line in. They were listening to something on there. Ooh. Okay, we have a bit of a smell coming from the vents. That's a weird smell. The engine does sound good. Door open, seat belt, tire pressure monitor, traction control. All there on the dash. 128,000 miles, which is nice. You could get this for a bargain. You really could, and you could fix it up so easy. Very quickly, let's just look what's under the hood. As I walk around, there's a little buckle right here. So we're going to add a hood. $100 at the junkyard. And I just can't get this open. So I can't get it open, but it sounds good in there. What's going on? Yeah, we can't get it open. Well, okay. That could be an issue, but the headlights work, which is really cool. Now on mine, the previous owner added, it was just a little piece of plastic that attached right here and stuck out a little bit, and it made it look like a whole different car. I think they were like $100 online. So if you want to add those too. But look at this. And how about a very easy fix Volkswagen CC? Check it out. 2009 edition of this little girl right here. And as far as damage, just my preliminary where I walked up to see what year it was. You need a fender and a bumper. Okay, nothing major about that. Nothing major about this. You need a headlight. This could maybe be pulled, little paint repair, or just get a new hood. And that looks like it's it. It's well, okay, let's add a fender. So 2 fenders, maybe it's getting more expensive. 2 fenders, a bumper, a headlight, and a hood. Tires, Bridgestone, that's a good sign. A little bit of tread left on them. Okay. Parking sensors, everything. When this car came out, oh, so we have a little crack here, and it's kind of bubbled. So we may have some Bondo under there. Okay. This is, yeah, she's dead as a doornail. On the inside. Anyway, when this car came out, I thought it looked so good in the pictures. I remember looking at the magazines and I thought, man, that's a good looking car. And it is kind of sporty, but it's just not the same to me in real life. And this is another really dirty car. Ooh. Okay, but everything can be cleaned. Trust me. Have you seen the video on the F-150? Yeah, that had all kinds of bodily fluids all over the place. I cleaned that in an hour and a half, and it came out looking magnificent. It looked so much better. If only it would drive like it looked. Yeah, nothing's going to happen here. As far as the engine goes, my God, this thing is heavy. That is the heaviest hood. Holy crap. And this is totally useless. The hood strut is beyond. It's not doing a dadgum thing. So I just got to kind of hold it open. Here we go. TSI, average, looks like it's been used. Never cleaned. Coolant is good. It's listed as a run and drive, which is nice. Your battery's right there. So would it start? Absolutely. Am I interested in this? I don't know. I'm just getting I don't know. I'm not really a Volkswagen guy, but it could be a good looking car. A little bit of work involved. What's the back like? The back seat's going to be just as dirty as the front. Oh, I can't even open it because, yeah, I don't want to break the windows. All right, well, with that being said, shall we pass? I think so. I just don't know what the market is like for these things. You don't see a whole bunch of them. I never see anybody at the Volkswagen dealer. I don't know if that's well, I know what that is. Anyway, here we go. 2009 Volkswagen CC. We're going to pass. So am I an idiot for passing on this? I don't know. It just, even with its Dyne audio right there. I don't know. We'll just kind of have to watch the auction price and see what happens with it. It does have a nice moonroof. Look at the clouds out there. That's gorgeous. This is falling apart though. That's a hot mess right there. But here's what the back seat looks like. It's kind of cool. 2-seater. In the back, 2-seater in the front for total occupancy. But I don't know. Let me know. Do you guys like these CCs? Should I pass? Should I invest in something? This or a Passat or something? I had a Passat for a couple of months. It was okay. It was kind of fun to drive. Easy door panels to replace. They just screw off. But maybe it was a Jetta. What is it? A Passat or a Jetta? I think maybe it was a Jetta. I don't know. I'm losing it right here. Anyway, let me know what you think about the car. Let me know what you think about the channel as well. And yes, I forgot to mention this on my live the other day. We have all kinds of monkey wrench mic hats coming to the channel. And I purchased some, and I'm just too embarrassed to sell them for what I have in them. Does that make sense? Because I don't want to come out and say, I've got hats, they're $50. They're not, but they would have to be almost close to that to even make what I have into them. Does that make sense? So we're trying to find a cheaper supplier, and it's all because of this right here, the length of the little monkey wrench emblem. Yeah, right there. It's too tall for a lot of the hat makers. All right, that's going to do it, folks. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please give a review, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and give me a comment. I try to read each and every one of them. We'll see you in another video very, very soon, folks, okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.